Security Scorecard leads the industry in breach predictability with our AI-driven scoring algorithm, analyzing over 15,000 publicly disclosed breaches to accurately identify issue types most correlated with the risk of a breach. Our ratings provide the most precise assessment of a company's security posture at a glance.
Now let's dig into a high-severity issue. Only recently, our AI elevated the severity of this issue to high, given the recent breaches involving voice-over-IP phones. Let's see how you can improve your score when this finding appears on your scorecard. This issue type is directly correlated to a breach, as it provides yet another entry point for a hacker to potentially exploit weaknesses in the SIP protocol, or in the configuration of VoIP systems to gain access to sensitive information, or disrupt communication services. No matter how small you may think the device may be, little things that you put on your network can have huge risks. So what can you do about it? Well, first things first, implement strong authentication mechanisms for VoIP devices. Regularly update and patch your VoIP software to address security vulnerabilities, as well as turning on an encryption of voice data to protect it from interception. This is good for large companies, protects the employees and customers from an attack. You also want to configure firewalls and intrusion detection/prevention systems to monitor and control traffic to VoIP devices. If you have a VoIP behind a firewall, we will never cross a firewall. You also want to educate users about best practices for secure VoIP usage, including avoiding suspicious calls and messages. If you have configured a firewall, it will no longer appear in our scans and will no longer impact your score. If this is not an option for your organization, you can submit a support ticket and explain the reason why you need VoIP devices without firewall protection. So, with that in mind, we look forward to seeing you get an A on your scorecard. Thanks for watching.